Or
I remember you showed it to me.
yeah, I wanted to show you your buttonhole idea. Okay, here's a button with a shank. Here is an extremely large button.
Wow. Look how it changed.
Isn't that pretty?
Over here it looked totally different, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And look.
It has a regular shape to it. And then we have other buttons that are very decorative. Like this one. Looks like a nut.
Or chocolate.
Or chocolate, yeah.
Let me ask you one question.
And this one, huh? Go ahead. This one has a flange on it.
Isn't it usually the center front line where the fabric ends in case of a jacket, for example? Isn't that the edge of a jacket?
No.
It doesn't have to be.
No, that is the center front line right here.
Okay.
And this is beyond the center front line. So what happens is your buttons are on the center front.
Okay.
Okay, so you take your button and you put your piece of fabric around it like that, and that's how you measure that button, so you get all of the dimension of the height as well as the shank.
Including the shank.
Including the shank, yep.
That's 1/8.
And then mark it. Okay, and then measure it.
Wow.
Excuse me.
So
that would be your buttonhole length.
Oh my God.
It's big.
It's bigger than you think. 2 1/8. Okay, so half of 2 1/8 is 1 1/16.
I was thinking that.
So that is your buttonhole length right there.
It's the size of a shoe.
Now that's the exact size of the button. You want to add 1/8 of an inch to that,
Right.
so that you get some slide in there. If you're making a garment that is an outdoor coat or something that has a lot of stress on it, you use a buttonhole that is horizontal. If you're making a garment like a blouse or something that doesn't have a lot of stress, you make a vertical buttonhole. So that's a rule of
I
thumb.
noticed that in many garments, although they're horizontal, the top one is vertical.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so tell me, I understand the logic of these buttons with the stress, but why do you change directions when there's no stress?
It's up to you.
Oh, so you could have horizontal ones on no stress.
Yeah.
Okay.
You could probably change the shape. That's probably why they do it. Because of the stress, it probably gets all